Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have this car here. The pre-collision sign is there. Okay, we need to be sure that there is no code or if anything need to be fixed, aiming or anything, or radar. So we're gonna go by VIN number, auto detect. Okay. Toyota. Say okay. North America. Radar cruise with the smart key, without the smart key, with electric brake, without electrical parking brake. Yeah, this is no, sorry, it's electric, but it's okay. Say yes. I want to know what code we have and what is the solution. عواب العربية دي مش بدور
وين؟
ده.
العودي.
طيب طلي وخليه يكون موجه قدام عشان نقدر نخش ونطلع ونسويه كويس. والشغل ده احمد قال زي حاله زي مش اوكي. اوتو سكان هيطلعوا لفوا لنا كده. ما عندنا عربية جوا مش تاني.
عندنا نيسان.
or Nissan have to go out, right? لكن بس run a test and go to the engine computer, then collect the computer number for the EC information. Okay.
ايه مول.
Radar 1, radar 2. Front camera recognition, front lighting control. Lost communication is different, so that if it's lost communication with a cruise control, front distance range sensor, signal sensor, or a center missing sensor, or center missing signal or missing message. With a cruise control, front distance range sensor, single sensor, or center missing message. Escape. Erase. Morning, how are you? Okay. Left rear, radar rear. Says off, but it's keep coming back. Right rear door, left rear door, passenger door. Okay, let me go to brakes or ABS. No fault. We go here, trouble code, lost communication with the cruise control, control front distance range sensor. Okay. Outside he says there's no code, but why he coming there? There's a code. Okay. Trouble code. A lost communication with the cruise control front distance range sensor, single sensor or center. Missing message. Okay. Go back again. Yeah, you see this code here? We have it. So we need to fix this problem first. So our problem with that is here. So I don't know if the piece is there or is damaged. We are not sure. Let me see. Yeah, it's Mavi is missing. Yeah, we're gonna yeah. I'm gonna tell him if he say okay or not, then we take it from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.